Hello coders. In this video we are going to learn and develop a program to print unlimited palindrome numbers in Python, and I'm here using programming means to run program. I will provide you link in the description, you can check out it. And special thing that it doesn't need any installation, you can run in your mobile or in your laptop. So let's get started. And you are watching logical programming. Okay, so first we need to start. So we have to need a maximum and minimum. Maximum is needed to print maximum number of, it means your last number to print palindrome number, and we are going to enter maximum number. Okay, okay, and we need to minimum is start at 1, or you can write it as int is equal to 1. Okay, so we are giving message to user that between numbers. We are using %d to print first number and end number to %tr, and we are provide here which value % have to take, that is minimum and maximum. Okay, so we are here using for loop. We are assign num in between in which range we have to print this number. Okay, this is equal to 1 comma maximum plus 1, sorry. Okay, and here we assign new variable temp is equal to num, and reverse is equal to, and reverse is equal to 0. Okay, and here we are using while loop. Okay, while loop is equal to in while loop temp, sorry, is greater than 0. Okay, and here we are giving reminder is equal to temp more by 10, and here reverse in reverse into 10 and plus reminder, and temp is equal to temp plus 10. Okay, and here we are using if to print our final output, that is, so here num is equal to reverse, then print %t and %num end, and we are here ending loop. So, and here we are given here space here to look attractive, and let's run it. And it says please enter. I simply enter 100. Okay, what is the model? Reverse. Okay, spelling mistake. Reverse. Hello friends, here some spelling mistake, so I correct that. Okay, so 10. Oh, again it. Sorry friends. Okay, I hope this time it will run. Oh, finally our code is run, and now we try to some different. We are enter max number 10,000, and you have to enter, and here it's printed all palindrome numbers between 1 to 10,000. And if you want to check out this code, I will provide you in description below, and I will also provide link of this website, you can check out. And if you like video, then like the video, and if you like my work, then subscribe to our channel Logical Program. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.